Morning.
Good morning, although it's not very good today. I'm full of a cold and it's home time. And we're carrying our rucksacks.
It's not home time, not for another 7 or 8 hours yet. Don't know what you're on about.
It is home time, unfortunately.
So today is our last day here. We fly back tonight about
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock tonight, so we get back to the UK at 2 o'clock in the morning. We've got the day here. We checked out of our apartment, so we're going to go and get some breakfast. Walking along the strip, and every day we see this piece of what can only be described as modern art, or what I like to refer to as a big pile of So this morning's breakfast of choice is the Goofy Burger. Nice breakfasts, Spanish bacon, that's the only drawback for me.
Cheap and cheerful, isn't it?
When in Spain. Cheap and cheerful, you think she's talking about me?
Yeah.
Rude.
Fresh orange juice today. Smells nice. Nice and fresh.
That's because somebody's driving when we get home. Thank you. Not this somebody. Nice, baby.
Yeah, 2 breakfasts.
If that's right, 33 degrees.
At 5 to 12 in the morning.
Yeah, we're feeling it today. The heat is definitely hotter today.
Stronger.
Yeah, it feels it. Maybe that's because we've already got burnt noses and burnt bits. No, these really are soft drinks.
Orange Fanta for me.
And cola for me.
Or Naranja.
Not even sugar free. Don't judge me.
Oh my god, look.
Now we know we look tired. We've watched it back on our videos, and we know the videos aren't the best. They say
Who's they?
that your first 20 videos are rubbish and no one watches them anyway. Well, if you're friends of ours, we've sent you all the videos, you have to watch them, like and subscribe, just to be annoying. So the first 20 videos are rubbish, so we're okay, we're only 5 videos in. Another 15, you should actually start to see some improvement in everything we do.
Hopefully.
Well, it doesn't get any better looking, does it? This is it. So we may have peaked on the looks front. So stick with us, because we're going to carry on once we get home. It's 34 degrees now.
How hot?
34 degrees, and there's not a lot of shade, I'm not going to lie. We're heading off to the American Indian Cafe for one final cocktail for you guys to watch and us to enjoy.
Here I am.
Look at us. We've come somewhere different for today's cocktail of the day.
But we have been here for breakfast, an evening meal, and I tell you what, the food is absolutely lush, and the place is well nice, isn't it?
Yeah, little Italian place, and we highly recommend this. What's it called? Restaurante di Bianca.
Bianco.
Yeah, Bianco.
And the cocktails are only €5.
You know we like a bargain.
But I'm having orange juice because I'm driving,
And
unfortunately.
if you didn't know we liked to bargain, you do now. And she's driving when we get back to the airport.
So what cocktail are you having?
A mojito today, so let's see what that's like in a few minutes.
Mojito was your go-to cocktail, wasn't it, a few years ago?
Yeah.
You haven't had one for a while, have you?
No, before I discovered lots of other cocktails.
True story.
One other thing here. Toilets are beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm going to check them out. See you later.
A one mojito. Taste test. Yes, I know you want to. Oh, that's strong. Oh.
What's in it? Is it rum?
Yeah, and mint.
Oh my god, that's well minty.
And strong.
Nice and refreshing though.
It is. Orange juice for Des.
Naranja.
Couple of hours before we got to be at the airport still.
Nice and refreshing though.
Rachel's ordered a pizza.
Oh, guess who wants a slice or two?
Only because you're going to make me. You know me. Back to work on Sunday.
And me Monday. I've got an extra day for a lion.
I did all the washing.
Sounds about right.
Oh, here she goes. Thank you. Lovely, thank you very much. Ooh, thank you. Wow.
Pizza has arrived.
Oh, she's going to make me eat some. I'm wasting away.
Oh no. Hot.
It's hot.
Hot rocket.
Oh yeah. See how hot is it, babe?
Hot.
It is hot. But it's got a lovely crispy base.
Yeah, that's nice.
Right, we're at the airport. We are ready to check in. For some reason, TUI app won't let you check in online. So we're just waiting to check in here. Get open shortly, and then we'll be through security into the departure lounge. See what it's like in there. It's nice and cool in here. Bless you.
Time to take a bus. 40 minutes later than planned, but better late than never.
Unlike the football.
It's not, we're coming home now.
Yeah. 3:20 in the morning, and we've landed. Welcome home.
And it's freezing.
Yeah, we are feeling the cold a little bit now. Exit and
To the bus, to the car park.
oh god, another bus. Oh. We're off the bus. We're in the car park.
Let's go.
What time is it, Rach?
10 to 4.
10 to 4 in the morning. The sun's coming up, so we're going to leave it there. We're not going to do any more on the way home now. We did say we wouldn't vlog anymore on the way home, but as you can see, daylight. The sun is definitely not out, and we've been awake for 20 hours. So we thought, let's just show you a little bit of daylight. We're nearly home, and it's definitely nearly time for bed. We've had a great week making some vlogs for ourselves and for you to watch. But we know there's no one watching.
But if you are,
don't keep it to yourself.